Understanding API endpoints.
API endpoints are specific addresses, or URLs, where different software applications communicate with each other over the Internet. They act as the channels that allow programs to send or receive data, such as requesting information or updating content. Endpoints are essential for making applications talk to each other, especially in web development.
How API endpoints are structured.
An API endpoint typically looks like a web address. For example, https://api.example.com/users. This structure includes the base URL of the API, followed by a specific path pointing to a particular resource or service. The endpoint may also include parameters to filter or modify the requested data.
Endpoints in RESTful architecture.
In RESTful architecture, APIs are organized around resources such as users, products, or orders. Each resource has its own endpoint. For instance, endpoints like users or orders 123 help identify exactly what data you want to access or modify. Different HTTP methods like GET or POST determine the type of action performed at each endpoint.
Why API endpoints matter.
API endpoints provide a clear interface for developers, making it easier to build, maintain, and scale software applications. By using well-defined endpoints, developers can integrate features and share data between systems securely and efficiently. Endpoints also help ensure consistency and clarity when working with APIs.
Key takeaways on API endpoints.
API endpoints are crucial parts of how applications connect and communicate in today's digital world. Understanding their structure and purpose helps developers create more reliable and user-friendly software. Whether you're building or using an API, endpoints are the gateways to data and services.